Hello everyone and welcome back. Last Friday, Jim the tree guy, I don't know if you guys have, I know I've talked about him in videos before, but he came up here with his stump grinding machine, and I had never really watched one of those work before. I had a whole bunch of stumps here and he ground every one of them out. And although you're going to see some of that in the next farmhouse video, I thought I am going to put a video on this channel of just 3 to 5 minutes of watching him grind out the stumps. He was only here a couple hours at the most, and I think back to when I was cutting the stumps down with the chainsaw, and then I tried to put charcoal on them and get them burned out. Sometimes you need to just step aside and let the professionals do their job. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Mud bugging this coming week. I will see you guys on the next video.